All right, guys. Good morning. We're here in the Ford, near the Subaru, by the Volkswagen, over by the VR6 and the Mazda, and we're doing our morning move the cars to another parking lot. So this is what happens when you start a car dealership in somebody else's parking lot, and then you get caught and kicked out of that parking lot, and then now you have to consistently keep moving cars and moving cars and moving cars every single day. Did I create this nightmare for myself? I did.
Welcome to hell, motherfucker!
Now we gotta sort it out. So, let's move these cars.
Why is it that I'm always taught a lesson but never learned the lesson? Why is it that I'm always stuck waiting on another total friend? Why is it that I need gas? Yeah, I need a tow. Yeah, I need help. My whole life's been one step forward and two steps backwards. I make every decision and worry about it after. I spend my whole life around it, so I wanted it in the worst way. I'd rather ask for forgiveness than permission in the first place. Never learning from my lessons, I must be crazy. So why I always put 20 when the tank fits 80? I need gas, I need a tow, I need help.
And that's it, guys. The morning car move. So fun. And just a little view of the stuff and things we have to do to keep Scott's Lot going. Later.